So this one is the Logicool, but actually this is called Logitech in US, and in Japan called Logicool. And the keyboard, there are three kinds: linear, tactile, clicky. I think it's a G913. So LIGHTSPEED, the GL, tactile, light skin. So let me open this because I just want to use it for my work quick. I have this Logitech one. This one is I got it from US, but it's all this letter is gone. I type a lot, so and it's a Logitech. It's really good keyboard. I really love it. I've been using it for a long time, and I think best keyboards out there. I use many of Logitech keyboard. Hopefully this will help me. Let's open this. Okay. Ta-da! So it comes with, see this? It said Logicool. Okay, looks cool. It has this little heavy. Actually, really heavy. Really heavy. I don't know how heavy it is. I'll measure it. But I've seen a lot of review about this keyboard, so I'm going to review it later in detail, but I'm going to use it today, so let's see how I can hook it up. So this is wireless keyboard. Man, this is really heavy. And this comes with the Play Advance card. I guess this logo stuff looks cool. Logo. One seal, then has this logo and also instructions. Basically has Bluetooth, then link to multiple devices. Then you enter. Type the code. Okay, this is normal sync for the so it's English and Japanese, and I can register online, so make sure to register so you get covered. And it says there is a customer support Logicool call JP. Okay, so I just will take this out. See. So I heard there are stands that I can just, nice, okay. So I can do this. Okay, so let's see. So I'll just start using without stand for now. Then I have this cable. Oops. Okay, this cable, which has USB. Oh, this is it's not Type C cable. See it? Type A USB. Yeah. Well, it's too bad. I think it's just considered Type C is better, but you know, Type C is not too bad. I hope. Okay, like this. So let's type this. So maybe I put some stand a little bit. the two stand. One is this. Okay, then inside has this also. So it's kind of short. Yeah, I think look maybe feel better for me. I guess I need to charge it first. I don't know, but let me charge it. Then ask me to maybe I will sync Bluetooth here. I just hook it up the USB battery charge. Not sure how to power on. I'm not sure how to turn. Oh, there is a switch, maybe this one. Oh yeah, yeah. Switch is right here. Okay, nice. So now I can see the clear A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This one is faded off. Can't even see the letter. Okay. It didn't even last for maybe a year to come off this letter. So this embedded key, so it wouldn't fade. Okay, so let me press this keyboard. Oh, so look at this. Let me check. Okay. Open my oh, I can type already. Okay. So I don't need to really I'm just recording and see. The keyboard, and I place this one at the same time. Then I'll do side by side. So it says your keyboard cannot be identified, will not be usable until it is identified. To identify the click continue, if your keyboard is working properly, you have additional USB input device connect to your computer that is not keyboard, you can skip this. Okay. Press next to shift. Okay, so this keyboard, it actually the Japanese keyboard, so it has henkan, katakana, you can see. Okay. So I don't know. It's so it looks like working, but let me see if I could do some command that I can map to it. So press key immediately right to shift on the left side of keyboard cannot be identified. Left side of keyboard. Okay, so I'll just press. Then right side of keyboard, shift. Okay. So Japanese standard keyboard with the input metal keys key has identified, click down to start using computer. So I'll just use this JI. 今日はですね、このキーボードですね。これがちょっと欲しかったんで。お、重い。Play Advance、LIGHTSWEET LIGHTSYNC RGB GL タクタイルスイッチ。まずちょっと日本語でこのめっちゃ重いです。これめっちゃ重いです。やばいぐらい重いです。これで持ち運びは無理だと思います。はい。なので、ちょっと